Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video I'm going to show you how to do this red brown eye makeup. This is great for prom and makeup look, or you can also use it for your bridal makeup if you like some more reddish brown eyeshadows. And let me know in the comments if you want to see another eyeshadow tutorial. In this video I'm going to use this big palette by Essence. This is the Make Your Dreams Come True. This is an eye and face beauty diary and it is very bulky, as you can see. I'm going to do a full review, swatches and close-ups of this big palette. On one side you open it and we have a notepad and a calendar. On the other side we have eyeshadows and face products. You can use any eyeshadows that you have at home. You don't have to buy this palette. And I'm going to swatch also the eyeshadows so you can see the color and the texture and you can find the similar shade. With an eye blender brush by Essence, I'm taking this light pink muted matte eyeshadow. This is how it looks. I'm going to diffuse this into my crease and it is going to be the base for all the darker eyeshadows. After that, I'm taking this 221 Look Soft Crease Brush by Zoeva and this warm brown eyeshadow. This one also has a matte finish and it has a warmer undertone. I'm starting with the outer corner and after that I'm taking the color into the crease. And also diffuse it a little bit outwards to give a more elevated look to your eyes. I'm adding a second layer of the same eyeshadow. With a smudging brush by Essence, I'm taking the same eyeshadow and I smudge this on the lower lash line. Let's continue with the start of the show, the red eyeshadow here. With brush 225 by Zoeva, I'm going to take this matte eyeshadow with this beautiful red deep color. It's not a very bright red, but I like it because it's not so intense. I'm pushing this into the outer crease and after that I'm diffusing the edges. I'm cleaning my brush on a tissue and I continue blending the edges. With the same brush, I'm taking the same light pink muted eyeshadow. I'm going over the edges one more time. With an eyeshadow brush by Bella Pierre, I'm taking again the same red eyeshadow. I'm dabbing that on the outer third of my eyelid. I'm just slightly diffusing the edges. After that, I'm taking an eyeshadow brush by Essence and this highlighter that we have here, it is so frosty, so shiny. I'm using this on the inner part of my eyelid. With the same Bella Pierre brush, I'm taking this eyeshadow here. This is a shimmery eyeshadow. It is a dusty pink purple eyeshadow. I'm using this to blend into each other the two colors together. With the smudging brush that I have used before, I'm taking the red eyeshadow and I'm smudging that on the lower lash line. With the same brush that I have used before, I'm taking the matte black eyeshadow that we have, this one here. I'm pushing this into the outer corner of my eyes. After that, I'm taking the red eyeshadow and I blend the black eyeshadow with the same brush. With a pencil brush by Morphe, I'm taking the highlighter and I'm using this to highlight my brow bone and the inner corner of my eyes. In my waterline, I apply black eye pencil by Tommy G Cosmetics. I also use this to tightline my eyes. I have applied my eyeliner off camera. I have used the Catrice liquid liner in Dating Joe Black. And for mascara, I'm going to use this one by Catrice. This is the Glam Doll Boost Lash Growth Volume Mascara. I have tried to use these Luella lashes by Shop Mercier, but they were looking so messy in the outer corner and I just removed them. I didn't like them, so so I just used my mascara for today's video, but you can use any false lashes that you have. Let me know if you have a pair of favorite lashes that I can try. I usually use by Ardell, but I started also using this by Shop Mercier, and there are some styles that I like, but this Luella, not my style. For my face makeup, I'm going to use this palette as well, and with brush 109 by MAC, I'm taking this. This one is a warm brown contouring shade. I'm using this on my forehead to make it look smaller, also on my cheekbones. I'm taking the brush 4 by BH Cosmetics and this dusty purple pink blush. It has a matte finish. To highlight my face, I'm going to take again this highlighter that I have used on my eyes with brush E40 by Sigma. This is very intense. I'm going to blend a little bit with my MAC brush. Okay, now it looks more natural. On my lips, I'm going to use the Plumping Nudes Lip Gloss by Essence in the shade She's So Extra. You can watch here how to apply eyeliner. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!